Stop starting a new startup if you're starting a new business for the first time. I'm going to show you 5 new business ideas that can make you rich faster. Listen, I know you think about getting rich. Sometimes an idea comes to you, sometimes you just force yourself to come up with new ideas to increase your income. And most of the time it's about making a product, an app, a website, selling it and getting rich, especially if you're a technical person. But can you see what's wrong with that? It takes forever to build a product. It takes so much experience to realize such a thing, and even if you do, there's no guarantee you can sell it at the end and make a profit, especially if you're a first-time entrepreneur. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 new business ideas that don't require you to build a product, which means you don't have to be an expert in basically anything, and they usually take less to become profitable. So without further ado, let's dive in. Become an influencer. Being an influencer is probably one of the most rewarding jobs ever. You do what you absolutely love and you get paid more than you can even imagine. You have probably heard that YouTubers earn tons of money. For instance, Mr. Beast's yearly income is estimated to be between $1.3 to $21.5 million. Meanwhile, when it was stated that Ilya Sutskever gets around $1.9 million. Well,
then everyone loses their minds.
So apparently, you can't get that kind of money even if you're the best at the sexiest job of the year. Why? Because you're working for someone else. But with YouTube, you're an entrepreneur, and entrepreneurs deserve more. And it's not just YouTube. Create content about whatever you like and upload it wherever you want. And keep doing it for 3, 5, 10 years and thank me later. What? You expected less? Oh, sorry. Good things take time. Okay. Maybe I can do something for you. The next ones take less. Number 2, affiliate marketing. If you know how to sell, if people buy what you suggest, then affiliate marketing is for you. Imagine you get a cut whenever somebody buys something you recommended. Basically, the only thing you have to do is to gather an audience and find some affiliate programs and then advertise some products to your audience. But the key factor here is to only advertise for the products you absolutely believe in. You don't want to be a sellout. I recommend you watch the movie The Joneses. That's a great movie for people interested in marketing. Number 3, dropshipping. Ooh, dropshipping. Dropshipping, if you can pull it off, can make you rich. I mean like rich, even more than YouTube. How does it work? Easy. You see a need, say an online niche store that sells cute dog clothes. First, you go find cute dog clothes on AliExpress or Alibaba, talk to the suppliers and ask them to fulfill the orders you send them and ship them to the buyers directly. Next thing you need to do is to set up a store to sell your products. You can do it however you like, but the fastest way, in my opinion, is Shopify. You can literally set up a store in less than 2 hours, and it gives you a 40-day free trial period. I will put a link in the description below. But wait a second, what's the difference between your store and Alibaba or AliExpress themselves? Obviously, it's not about the product because you're selling the same products, right? It's in something much more valuable, and that's trust. You sell trust by adding clear pictures of people using it, addressing clients' concerns, and building a brand around your niche. Then an amazing thing happens. You can sell products you have barely seen 10 times the original price and pocket the difference without buying them in advance and paying for a warehouse to store them, hoping to sell. I can go on and on about dropshipping, but it's about time you start talking about number 4, drop servicing. So it's essentially dropshipping, but instead of selling other people's products, you sell their services. Geez, even saying it feels kind of lazy. Wait a minute. People can't even sell their own services? Well, it's less severe, but it's still there. Today, whatever service you're looking for, you can find somebody on Fiverr that does it. You can even get a fake girlfriend to text you during the day if that's what you're looking for any particular reason. But the thing is, these tasks are usually simple, specific tasks. For instance, a while ago, I've been looking for a team to make a video ad for me with a scenario and a bunch of actors, and I couldn't find it on Fiverr. And just to be clear, I'm not trying to tell you start that gig on Fiverr. What I want to tell you is that you can combine different gigs on Fiverr, build a niche store as you did with dropshipping, and provide whatever a business might need. Then again, when you build a brand, you're selling trust. And when you sell trust, you can charge whatever you want. You can charge way more than what freelancers charge on Fiverr, and this way you make a profit. It's such a beautiful business model, isn't it? Right now, the good thing and the bad thing about drop servicing is that it's pretty new. So the competition is less, but also the community is fairly small. So right now, drop servicers are not making as much money as dropshippers. But if you're thinking about starting a new business for the first time, it seems to be worth trying, and it seems to be easier to pull off. Number 5, print on demand. Finally, the business model I personally love. It's the easiest and the fastest to pull off. Let me explain. You know, there are lots of suppliers out there who will print your custom design on anything you want. T-shirts, mugs, jewelry, anything. The first idea that comes to mind is to design a couple of t-shirts, mugs, or anything, print them and sell them in your store. So what's the problem with this plan? Exactly. You pay a lot of money in advance and there's no guarantee you can sell it and make a profit afterward. That's where print on demand comes in. Print on demand, as the name suggests, only does the printing when there's an order. You make your design and show it to your customer. If they liked it and decided to buy, the order goes directly to the supplier. They print and ship it to the customer. You pay the print on demand service and pocket the rest. No obligations, no advance payments. You can literally start this with as low as $50. The only things you need to do is to make the designs and advertise, and then wait for the cash flow to come in. Okay, so tell me in the comments which one did you like the best. I'm going to end this now. Please consider subscribing.